Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly game-changing. What if I told you that you could build an AI software company, a SaaS business, and scale it to a $1 million annual recurring revenue in just 90 days? And the best part, you can do it without writing a single line of code. Sounds impossible, right? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint to turn this idea into your reality. First, let's get one thing straight. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategic, focused approach that leverages the power of no-code tools and the explosion of AI. The old way of building a software company involved huge upfront investments, hiring expensive developers, and spending months, even years, building a product that might not even find a market. The game has changed. Today, the barrier to entry is lower than ever, but the potential for success is higher than ever. You don't need a computer science degree. You need a great idea, a deep understanding of a problem, and the right strategy. So, let's talk about the biggest problem most aspiring entrepreneurs face. It's the idea to execution gap. You have a brilliant idea for an AI tool that could solve a real-world problem, but the technical mountain seems too high to climb. You get stuck in analysis paralysis, worrying about coding languages, server architecture, and database management. You see others launching and succeeding, and you feel left behind. Thinking, if only I knew how to code. This frustration is real, and it kills more dreams than failure ever will. The dream of building a successful SaaS feels reserved for a select few with technical backgrounds, leaving you on the sidelines. But here's the solution: the no-code AI revolution. This is the key that unlocks the door for you. Tools like Bubble, Softer, and Glide have become incredibly powerful, allowing you to build complex, scalable web applications with visual drag-and-drop interfaces. Now, combine that with the power of APIs from AI giants like OpenAI, Anthropic, or Mid. You can integrate sophisticated AI capabilities like text generation, image creation, or data analysis into your no-code application with just a few clicks. Your role shifts from being a coder to being an architect, a problem solver, a visionary. You're connecting powerful pre-built blocks to create something new and valuable. This is your unfair advantage. Now for the blueprint. The 90-day plan to $1 million are. Let's break it down into 3 30-day phases. Phase 1, days 1 to 30, are all about ideation and validation. This is the most critical step. Don't build anything yet. Your goal is to find a painful, specific problem for a well-defined niche market. Don't try to build the next ChatGPT for everyone. Instead, think smaller, think niche. For example, instead of a general AI writer, what about an AI that writes high-converting real estate listings for agents? Or an AI that generates social media content specifically for dentists? The riches are in the niches. Spend these 30 days talking to people in your target market. Join their online communities, conduct interviews, and run surveys. Your single mission is to understand their workflow, identify their biggest bottleneck, and validate that they would be willing to pay for a solution. Create a simple landing page describing your future product. Explain the problem it solves and the value it provides. Run a few small ads or share it in relevant groups and see if you can get people to sign up for a wait list. This is your market validation. If no one signs up, your idea is flawed, not your ability. Pivot and test another idea. This step saves you from wasting months building something nobody wants. By day 30, you should have a validated idea and a waitlist of eager potential customers. Phase 2, days 31 to 60. This is the build and launch phase. Now it's time to fire up your no-code tool of choice. Let's use Bubble as our example. Your goal here is not to build the perfect all-encompassing product. It's to build a minimum viable product, or MVP. Your MVP should do one thing exceptionally well: solve the core problem you identified in phase 1. Let's stick with our real estate example. Your MVP would allow an agent to input a few key details about a property like square footage, number of bedrooms, and unique features, and the AI, powered by an OpenAI API call, would generate 3 compelling listing descriptions in different tones. That's it. No fancy user management, no complicated analytics dashboard, just the core function. Using Bubble, you can design the user interface, set up the database to store user inputs and generated text, and integrate the OpenAI API. There are countless tutorials online that walk you through this exact process. You can build this core functionality within a week or 2. The rest of the month is for refining the user experience and preparing for launch. Then you launch exclusively to your waitlist. Offer them a special founder's price. This creates urgency and rewards your earliest supporters. Your goal for this phase is to get your first 10, then your first 100 paying customers. Phase 3, days 61 to 90. This is the iterate and scale phase. You now have a working product and paying customers. This is gold. Your customers are your best source of feedback. Listen to them intently. What features are they asking for? What parts of the app are confusing? Use this feedback to rapidly iterate on your product. Every week, you should be pushing small improvements and new features that your customers have requested. Because you're using no-code, you can make these changes in hours or days, not weeks or months. This speed of iteration is a massive competitive advantage. Simultaneously, you need to scale your marketing. Double down on the channels that brought you your first customers. Was it a specific Facebook group? A particular influencer? Create content that showcases your customers' success stories. Run targeted ads demonstrating how your tool saves time and makes money for your specific niche. The goal is to create a repeatable, scalable customer acquisition engine. Now, let's talk numbers. Is $1 million are in 90 days realistic? Let's do the math. $1 million a year is about $83,000 a month in recurring revenue. If you charge $99 a month for your service, you need approximately 840 customers. If you charge $49 a month, you need about 1,700 customers. Finding that many customers in a single month sounds daunting, but remember the power of a well-defined niche and a high-value solution. Imagine your tool saves a real estate agent 5 hours a week. What is that time worth to them? If they can use that time to close just one more deal a year, your tool is an absolute no. When the value you provide is 10 times the price you charge, selling becomes much easier. The key is to focus on a high-value niche where customers have a budget and a burning problem. Scaling becomes a mathematical equation of marketing spend and customer acquisition cost, not a technical challenge. The beauty of this model is its simplicity and speed. You're not waiting for perfection. You're launching fast, learning from real users, and iterating quickly. Your no-code stack allows you to stay lean and agile, keeping your costs incredibly low while you validate and grow your business. You are the builder, the marketer, and the CEO, all rolled into one, empowered by these amazing tools. So, what's stopping you? The technology is here. The strategy is clear. The only missing ingredient is you. It's your unique insight into a specific problem that will be the foundation of your success. Start today. Don't wait for permission. Go find a problem, talk to people, build a simple solution, and change your life. The era of the no-code AI founder is here, and there's no reason it can't be you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this blueprint has sparked some ideas and given you the confidence to get started. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more content on building and scaling your own businesses. Drop a comment below with the niche you're thinking of targeting. I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep building.